Hello, level 1 Charleston with Peter and
Maddie.
it's Maddie. So, we worked on the basic step. It started with the left foot for the leaders.
Right foot for the
You
followers.
know, just face each other to show real quick. We just did this practice where we went back and forward and back and forward and back and forward, then moved on up. We did forward and back and forward and back, forward on back, then move on back. We did 4, 2, 3, move up, 1, 2, 3, move back. Then just 2, go. Working your way up. So if you ever lose it, you can go back to the really simple version. You can go to the one that goes a little slower, or you can go to this one right here. This underlies all of that basic Charleston. When we put it together, the actual Charleston has kicks in it. So we put a rock step in the beginning and then 3 kicks. Rock step, kick step, double kick step, rock step, kick step, double kick. And notice a little back and forward, forward and back. A little bit of that really helps to find your steps. Let's do it this way so we can see the other side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back step, kick step, double kick step, back step, kick step, double kick step. So we basically did that a billion times. Sorry for the workout. But you need practice of that. Your homework is to do that and that alone 1 million times. Just do it a ton. Bonus goals, let your arms swing in opposition and look up, don't look down. You can bounce while you do it, even better. Then we partner up. Partnering is real simple. Just put my right hand on my father's back. The left arm goes over, elbows pointing down just like so. We do the basic just like this. Rock, step, kick, step, double kick. Rock, step, kick, step, double kick. If you're really getting good at it, you will leave the ground on every single beat. But you don't have to if you got bad knees or if you're tired and don't feel like it. Last thing we did was the skip up. Here are the lazy version of the skip up. Rock, step, step, swing. Rock, step, in the same foot as usual. That's the beginning of the next step. We're going to do it for real this time. Basic. We go open, close, open, swing, rock step. One more time, we go rock step, go. Bam, rock step, kick, step, double kick, and that's what we did. Oh yeah.